fresh ideas and be inclusive throughout.
Wow. Okay. Very good. So openness, ideas, and being inclusive. Yeah. Right? And then you are actually a part of the nature. And actually all the conflict, all the things that happen in communication is also part of the nature. So we just need to understand in order to drive it forward. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
You need to go now.
Workshop, right? I hope. Yeah, so we have a game and we have short, kind of lecture. Then probably we know each other more than before this workshop, and hopefully we can improve further going forward. I just want to say that the message, the bear is a kind of blood, right? There we put a lot of colors by ourselves. So Elixir is a kind of stage we can put our identity by ourselves. So hopefully we can make a great color in the future. Yeah, that's all.
It's our company mascot, all right? And it has all our company colors. Look at the rate of the years. Right. This represents how we want to listen to our customers, and this rate is the American standard rate. Okay. And this is our eyes, and this blue. See the limbs and the arms and the legs. Right? So this is how the three brands are embodied together with the heart of craftsmanship.
This is more American channel.
So it's been
More, right?
Importer and also from German, America, because Thailand is also export to everywhere. So which means that you have to adapt yourself as the one of the colleague in here, and then to understand their culture, the way of working, how to manage your day-to-day basis that you have to work with people in different country and also type of different way of working across the functional as well. Yeah.
Is the intent. When you think someone is saying something that is very strange, try to understand what is their intent or what they're actually thinking behind their actions. And what's important also is the hands. Why purple? Because we mix the blue and red, right? Because everything is not as easy as it seems. You always have to think outside the box on how to resolve problems, situations, solutions. So when you execute, use your hands, and that's why it's in a different color. It's purple because it's thinking outside the box. And combined with all that, hopefully this is a good little pixel bear that we will all remember on how we communicate and work within the organization.